Today's quick learning, we will go through simple chart called as funnel chart in Excel. Here we have set of data, traffic source from various platform and the visit. Select that data, go to insert, recommended chart. In this we can see option as all chart and select the funnel chart. Funnel chart will show the data in a form of descending order. If your data is not sorted, then you can sort that data in descending order. It is similar to your bar chart and it will show bar by the values. Okay, like less value will be in the bottom and the top bar, top value, highest value will be in the top. Same as funnel. It look is also same as funnel. That's why name is funnel chart. Okay, and in this way we can create a funnel chart. If you want to remove that y axis, then you can remove that, and if you want to format it to any other layout, then we can format it to this layout like this. Okay, so in this way we can create funnel chart for our data analysis. It's very simple chart but very useful when you want to show the quality, number, depth, uh, quality, volume. Then you can show with funnel chart where the less quality numbers fall. Okay, and if we make changes to any data, this will update it automatic. This is nothing but your bar chart and data will keep on changing as per the values. So it look as funnel chart. Okay, in this way we can create funnel chart. Thank you for watching.